Are you supposed to be back there? Get out of there, Zoe. Get out of there. Zoe, Jude. Jude, you tell her. Say, get out, Zoe. Really? Can you say cat? Say cat. Hi. Zoe, Ella, come out of there. Oh, Jude's gonna get on Elmo. Hi, Elmo chair. Is that your Elmo chair? That's so nice. You can give kisses? To me? That's so nice. Oh, you can give kisses? Zoe, get in the Elmo chair. Zoe, give Jude a kiss. Go give Jude kisses. Well, come on. Go give her kisses. Here she comes, Jude. Go get her. Go get her. Get her. Get her. Get the tractor. Oh, yeah. Are you practicing and playing together? Jude's trying to put a plastic chair on her foot like it's a shoe. Can you say kisses? Go give Jude kisses. Get Jude's ear. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Can you give Zoe kisses? Give her kisses. Give her kisses. Say, I can't do it with a tractor. Oh, give her kisses. Give Zoe kisses, Jude. Can you get over there and give her kisses, huh? No. Ooh, you guys are like right in the sun. Can you give kisses, Zoe? Give Jude kisses. Oh, she's gone. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, we're not going bye-bye. Just say bye-bye. All right.